BICOL Express is a popular Filipino spicy food made up of pork, chillies, coconut milk, shrimp paste, onion, and garlic. It is creamy, spicy, and delicious. It is best eaten with a cup of warm white rice. BICOL Express was named after the passenger train service from Manila to Bicol region, a region in the Philippines that is famous for its spicy cuisine. I prefer to boil the pork first so that it's easier for me to cut later, and make sure that you properly wash the pork before boiling it so that you can still use the pork broth for later part of cooking. Make sure to drain and cool it down before cutting to prevent you from burn. Once it's cooled down, I cut the pork into cubes. I am now cutting the pork without struggle, especially if my knife is not that sharp. Slice thinly the 1 piece medium size of onion. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, peeled and cut thinly. Chop the 3 pieces of green chili, or you can add some more if you want. The following ingredients are 1/2 kilo pork, 1 can coconut milk, 3 to 5 pieces green chili, 1 piece medium onion, 4 to 5 cloves garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons shrimp paste, 3 to 5 pieces red chili or labuyo. Pour the oil into the wok. Heat up the oil over medium-high heat. And pour the onion into the wok and stir it for a while. I'm gonna add the garlic and cook until limp and aromatic. Saute the green chili for a few seconds. And set it aside. Pour the pork into the wok and saute it until light brown. Add black pepper. Add garlic powder only if available, but if you don't have, that's fine. Stir and mix it together. I'm gonna add water by using the pork broth from just now. I use quite a lot of water because I want it to be very soft and tender. Bring to a boil. Add the shrimp paste. You also can use an uncooked shrimp paste, but the shrimp paste that I am using at the moment is the shrimp paste that I cooked from one of my recipe. If you want to know more on how I cook it, I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. Pour the coconut milk and mix it together and bring to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes or so, or until the sauce thickens and become oily. Add the green chili. Add the red chili. And add another chili flakes. You can decrease the number of peppers or scrape the seeds off the pads before mincing if you want to tone down the spice. But for the Bicolanos, it's not BICOL Express if it's not numbing your tongue. In fact, the authentic version uses more chili than pork. You also can add some vegetables if you want. This is the texture that I want to achieve. The sauce thickens and oily. This is the indicator that you can transfer it to a serving bowl anytime you want. Transfer now to a serving bowl and ready to serve, share, and enjoy!